Well, Sealander here in Florida, and guess what? We got snow. I've been here 35 years, and this is the third time I've seen snow, and this is going to be a big snowstorm. Let's check it out. Look at this. Check it out. Already got snowballs forming. Boom. It's a coming. Check out my footy prints. Gotta make a snowball. Make a snowball. See? Bang! Used to play snowball as a kid. There you go. Hello. Check it out. Cappy, you want to go outside? You want to check out that snow? Let's go. Come on, let's check it out. What the what? What the what are we looking at, Cappy? Check it out. Come here, come here. Come here. Come up here. Come on up here. Come here. Whoa. You're slipping. Come on, come on. Run. What's up? Stop. Whoa, don't go over there. What the heck? What is that, Cappy? What is that? That's snow. It's snow. Cappy, check it out. What is that, Cappy? That's snow. Check it out. It's a blizzard. Do a pan here. I'm getting cold. I had to get my jacket because it's cold out here. The snow is starting to cover. It's starting to cover. My truck's starting to get covered up too. You can see over here my neighbor's house. You know, I used to live up north and had to work out in this snow, and that's why I live down in Florida. So this is nice to see, but I wouldn't want to work outside. Thankfully here in Florida, when it snows, they shut everything down. They just don't have any experience driving with snow, so they feel it's safer if you do that. But we'll continue to monitor this. And look at my roof, full of snow. Look at that. I didn't want to come out anymore, but Cappy has to go to the bathroom. So you take care of business, Cappy, and we'll go check out some of the snow. It's really coming down now. This is just like a snowstorm. And it's supposed to only get worse. Cappy, come on, run, run. Run. Come on, Cappy. Come on, run, run. Come on. I'm cold. I'm cold. Daddy's cold. Come on, come on. I got flip-flop shoes on with no socks, so my feet are getting... Oh, my feet are freezing. Oh, look at my car. Let's see how thick that snow is. Whoop. Ooh, that's 1 inch of snow already. Check out the truck. The truck got snow on it. Look at the snow. It's still coming down tonight. It's about 4 inches of snow. We'll come out in the morning, play in the snow. Look at all this snow in my sago palms. Whoa. Look how thick that is. It looks like it ruined my plants. Ooh, it's cold. Look at this snow buildup. That's a lot of snow. The snow's really thick out here. Ooh, it's still snowing right now. I gotta go outside, man. Look at the snow. Look how thick the snow is. Look back there. I gotta go back and check my well. Oh, my feet are really cold. That's okay. I have on my down jacket. You try to do this with Crocs and bare feet. Oh, but I don't have anything to wear. Woo! Good morning. We had a snowstorm last night. Looks like we had about 5 or 6 inches. Let's check it out. Cappy. Oh, what is this? What are you walking in? Crunch. Let's see. Well, it's got an ice layer on top of it. Pretty good. Holy mackerel. That's up to my ankles. That's about 6 inches deep. The snow. Remember yesterday we did the truck. Let's see. There's how thick the snow is on the vehicle. Look at that. That's interesting that the snow didn't melt so much on the road. Check out the car. Oh, here we're on the side. Ooh, it's ice. That's all solid ice. Hear it? This is actually the road, and it is ice. Solid ice. You would be doing a lot of slip sliding through here. Look at all that snow. Okay, let's see the morning with the snowwork side. Look at the snow piled up. Look at that. Look at that. Bring. Look at that, how much the snow is, how thick it is. Crunchy on the top. So we have a little bit of a snow drift here on the back doors. We'll have to sweep that off as it melts. Wow, that's pretty cool. So you're gonna make a snow angel right here?
Yeah.
Mama's gonna do a snow angel. Keep going, keep going. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Come on. Let's see. Yep. Up. Okay, let's check her snow angel. Look at that. That snow. Ooh, I'm getting cold outside. Snow on the roof. It's a winter wonderland here. Had to break out my Keen snow hiking boots. They're waterproof because this top layer, it's crunchy, breaking through the top crust. And back here's the creek. Let's see if we can make some sort of snowman or something like that. We'll test the snow. Got this layer of crunchiness on the top. Move that. It's falling apart. It's just falling apart. So it's too loose to make a snowman, Keisha. It's just coming apart. It needs to crunch together so I can roll it into anything. So let's see what I can do. Okay. Don't want to stay together. It's so loose and so soft. Let's see. Can't even keep a snowball together. Alright, what do we got? There you go. Snow boy. This stuff just don't want to stay together. Right. Oh. To swim. It's like a bed. Snow don't want to stay together. To the bed. Oh, feels like a mattress. You can make you a pillow. There we go. There's my pillow. Ooh, that's comfortable. You know what I just figured out? I just figured out I can roll a snowball. The snow's melting. Let's see what we can do. Make a ball. Okay. Look at that. Well, look at that. Well, there's one snowball. Get a little bigger. All right, there's one. Let me roll another one. There's two. See how we're looking here. A little bit of this off. Okay, let me make a head. One more to make a head. Okay, there we got the head now. Look at all this extra stuff here. Get the leaves. Now you have to find something around, laying around in the ground that can be used for your eyes. Our snowman's melting fast. Try to adjust his head. There. Got a nose. And a mouth. 2 eyes, nose, and a mouth. And it's melting fast. So I bet you I'm the only guy in all these YouTube vlogs that actually made a snowman in Florida. Well, I certainly would be remiss if I didn't show y'all how to make a snowball. I grew up in the north, so I sure know how to do it. Let's try. This is actually really slushy snow. So this is like the stuff that is kind of dangerous. You see that right there? That would hurt. If you hit somebody upside the head with that, that probably hurt. This would hurt them. See that snowball right there? This is very slushy. All right. Okay. Let's see how this one is. One more good one. There you go. All right, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna make a big snowball and throw it way down the road. Get it all packed in there good. Okay. Have to make it a little smaller. Well, there you go. Snowballs in Florida. Peace. Sealander, thanks for staying to the end and watching. We ask that you like, share, subscribe to the channel, and follow us on Facebook at Sealander Adventures. Until the next one, this is Sealander. Take care. Bonus message. See this snow out here? In just a few weeks, we'll be traveling internationally once again to tropical beach paradises. Stay tuned and see where we go.